In this lesson, we are going to do the
yeah.
the traditional algorithm for long division. Remember this acronym, DMSB. Do, my, super, best. It stands for divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. These are the steps for long division. First, we divide. Second, we multiply. Third, we subtract. Fourth, we bring down. Then we repeat the steps until we have no more digits in our dividend. We are going to solve the problem 426 divided by 6. First, we're going to write down our acronym. Next, we're going to write down the symbols of what the letters represent. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. First, we're going to divide. We're going to start with our first digit of our dividend. And we're going to think how many groups of 6 can fit into 4. Or 4 divided by 6 equals what? Well, I know I can't fit any groups of 6 into 4. So my answer is 0. And I put it right above the 4. Next, I'm going to multiply. 0 times 6 equals 0. Now I subtract. 4 minus 0 equals 4. Next, I bring down the next digit in the dividend, which is a 2. And the steps repeat. First, I divide. How many groups of 6 can fit into 42, or 42 divided by 6 equals? Well, I remember my facts that 6 times 7 equals 42, so I put a 7 right above my 2. Next, I multiply. 7 times 6 equals 42. Now I subtract. 42 minus 42 equals 0. Now I bring down the next digit in my dividend, which is a 6. And the steps continue. First, I'm going to divide. How many groups of 6 can fit into 6, or 6 divided by 6 equals 1? So I put my 1 above the 6. Next, I multiply. 1 times 6 equals 6. Now I'm going to subtract. 6 minus 6 equals 0. My next step is to bring down the next digit, but there is no other digit. So I'm going to look to see if my remainder here is less than my divisor. If my remainder is less than my divisor and I have no other digits here, then I can safely say I have my answer. 426 divided by 6 equals 71.